Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been long. I hope everybody has been fine and that you guys are keeping safe and you're sanitizing and washing your hands. Yes? Okay, so if you can remember, like a month ago I did a video on how to prepare rice water. It was a really short video and I promised to come back to it later. So I've been postponing, but I've been storing my water ever since. Okay, I wanted to show these guys to you because some people are wondering that can you actually store the water if it's not in a glass jar or anything. So this is where I stored my water, and my water has been here for almost a month, you know. So after boiling my water, if you have not watched the how to make the rice water video, kindly go back and check it. I'll also leave a link in the description box so you can look at it. So after preparing my water, I went ahead and let it cool, and then after it was cool enough, I transferred it into this bottle. What I did next was slicing lemon, not lemon but orange peels. Yeah, so I used orange peels. I sliced them into small pieces and I put it in here. This was to do away with the awful smell that rice water can produce. And mark you, this water has been here for a month or so. I'm not actually very sure, but you can check from the video that I did about preparing this one, and you can be sure that I don't do a video in a day and edit it and upload it the same day. So yeah, it's been here for some time. So this is our rice water. As you can see, I have done the twists around my hair, and this water, what I like most about the pills is that they make the water have the citric smell instead of the awful smell from the rice water. People who have prepared rice water before can actually tell you how it can stink, but this one is nice. By the way, you can see I'm even holding it closer to my nose and it's nice. It smells good. That is what I like. And before I shook it up, you could see that it had there are some residues that had settled on the bottom, so you can always shake it well before applying. So what I'll be doing, I'll be transferring this from here into my bottle, my spritz bottle. It's here, so this will be easier because of the pills. I don't want the pills into my bottle, and if this water remains, I'm going to keep it even longer. So I'm gonna use this first. If it's not enough, I can always add some more. So as you can see the lemon peels. I don't want to show the logo of the bottle because I'm not advertising anyone's products. So you can see the lemon peels in there. So it has actually remained. I'm going to keep this for next time. And then I have this here. This is what I use to spray my hair. So we're going to put this here. Okay, this is what you're supposed to know. Before you apply rice water to your hair, it is supposed to be clean and shampooed. You're supposed to shampoo it and rinse it off all the shampoo products before you go ahead and use the rice water. So I'll be stepping into the bathroom and washing my hair. I'll shampoo my hair. I would have shown you the process, but I don't have anybody to help me with making the video from the bathroom. So I'll just go and shampoo my hair clean, and then I'll come. Guys, my hair stayed for so long without being washed. You can see it's really dirty. Look at that. So I'm going to shampoo it and then I'll be back. Yep, don't go anywhere. So welcome back, guys. I am done washing my hair. As you can see, it's still wet. So when you have shampooed your hair clean, now that's the time to spray your rice water. I want to make some clarifications because I know some people will have many questions. So some people wonder if they can leave the rice water on like overnight. Yes, you can do that. You can also use this rice water as a spritz product every time you want to moisturize your hair. So you do not have to necessarily rinse the rice water from your hair. However, if you use the rice water continuously over time, you may notice some product build up on your scalp. So you can use this every other day. You can use this weekly. You can make it part of your hair wash routine. Okay, so I'll go right ahead and start spraying my hair. So our aim is to spray this hair, to spray the product not only on the hair but also on the scalp. It's really cold. So because we'll be using this to massage our scalp and even the hair strands, okay? So you want to make sure this goes to the scalp. It's so cold. You want to make sure that it goes down into your scalp, not just on the hair surface. It's really cold though. So it will start dripping very soon, by the way, once the hair is soaked. So you need to use this, massage your scalp. It also promotes blood circulation to your scalp, which will help in your in making your hair grow. So you massage that thoroughly. As you can see, most of the rice water is on my scalp, not on my hair. See, so I'm going to massage this and then I'm going to spray now the hair on top of the hair. So there are differing information on how long you can ferment your rice water. Some people say that you can make it and use it instantly. Others say that you can ferment it for 24 to 48 hours, and so on and so forth. So the more fermented the water is, the better the result. So you can ferment the water for as long as you want, whatever works for you, because the more fermented it is, the more it's going to work for your hair. So like this one, as I said, it has stayed for more than a month and there's still some remaining. I'm not going to throw it away because some people ferment it even for like 3 months, so there's no harm. So I'll still keep it. I'll use it in my next wash day. So you just need to make sure that you've massaged this properly. And for mine, I'm not going to rinse it out. I'll leave it on because the next time I'll be using the rice water is when I'll be doing the next wash. So I'll just be massaging this and I'll let the rice water stay on my hair as a moisturizer. If you have any questions concerning rice water, kindly let me know in the comment section and I will be more than willing to answer. Let me wipe my face.
Oh, good job. I'm so happy of you.
Thank you, baby.
I feel
So my cheerleader is just right beside me. So there, it feels so good. I feel very nice every time I wash my hair, by the way, but I usually take long before I wash my hair because it can be tedious, you know. So there, my hair feels good. And now I will go ahead and twist it and let it rest. So guys, that's the end of the rice water video. Maybe I'll be doing some more and showing you guys how to do your routine and everything. If you have any questions, kindly leave them on the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the family, kindly consider subscribing. Let's grow together. And of course, I promise you're not going to get bored. I'll be here with many videos.